Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Shri Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nityalila Parishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Parishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of all senior devotees and all Vaishnava Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So yesterday we also discussed. What did we discuss? Could you remember?
6 types of people that do not take
Yesterday morning, what did I say?
When Krishna took the complexion of Srimati Radhika
and Siradhaya Pranamahima Kidusa Sadva Janamodharima Kidusa Bhamodiya Sukkancha Madhunuda Kidusa Viti Lovat Tadbhavadya Samajana Sajigarba Sindhu Harindu. So in the end of Dapar Yug, Krishna, he released all kinds of rasas from the heart of the Brajvasis and Brajgopis. Then he returned back in Golok Vrindavan, and after Krishna Lila he returned back to Vrindavan. Then Krishna is thinking, I released all the prema rasa from the heart of Brajgopis, and even I released the prema rasa Dasa Sakha Vatsalya and Madhurya, how Rakta Patrak, they have love and affection with me, and Sakha Suval Siddham, how they have love and affection with me, and Nanda Jasoda, in their heart also parental mood, our Vatsalya Bhav, and I release everything. And especially I also release the conjugal mood from the heart of the Brajgopis. Everything I release. But when I am thinking about Srimati Radhika, then I am thinking my heart completely empty, khali. Why? Because Srimati Radhika's what kinds of prem in his heart? Krishna is thinking this. Krishna is thinking, I never, what is called, bewilderment. Bewilderment.
Never bewildered. He's never bewildered.
Never bewildered.
Never bewildered.
But Srimati Radhika, she bewildered for me. Why? What kinds of prem in her heart? That's Krishna is thinking. Where? In Aprakat, Golok Vrindavan. And sometimes Srimati Radhika, she looked the rain cloud. Then she completely what is it called?
Bewildered.
Bewildered. Understand? What is that? She is thinking, I am in the sky. So she wants to catch to me. Understand? Just looking the rain cloud. That one Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, oh, Krishna is there. So I have to catch to Krishna. Sometimes Srimati Radhika, she embraced the black tamal trees. They thinking I am there. Completely transcendental madness. Sometimes Srimati Radhika in her dark house, Andhakar Griha. She is thinking, oh, I am there. She embraced the darkness. You can embrace darkness or not? No. But Srimati Radhika, when thinking, oh, this darkness means Krishna. Darkness. Where if any Krishna's complexion or anything is happening, Srimati Radhika, she completely what? Mad. So Krishna is thinking, what kinds of love in the heart of Srimati Radhika? That is the main thing. So Krishna is thinking this way. So saying these words, Sri Radhaya Pranav Mahima Kridiso Banaiva. What kinds of the divine love in the heart of Srimati Radhika towards me? Krishna is thinking this. Everybody completely enchanted with the divine love of Krishna. Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everywhere are glorified about Krishna. Krishna prema. Everybody completely intoxicated with sweet fragrance from the body of Krishna. Krishna Anga Gandha. Very sweet. But Krishna is thinking, when I just little bit get the smell from the body of Srimati Radhika, then I come to control myself. Radhikar prema Radhikar anga gandhe amai korai anumatta. Krishna says, I completely intoxicated. There is a sweet fragrance coming from the body of Srimati Radhika. This is true. So our Shastra also explains this, Jasya kadapi vasananchalam karanatta dannati danna pavanirkitarthamani jagindra durgam gati madhusudanopi tassastu namo visavanu bhuvo disopi. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad composed this verse. Jasya kadapi vasananchalam karanatta dannati danna pavanana kitarthamani Jagindra Durgam Gati Madhusudanopi Tassastu Namo Vishabhanu Bhuvo Dishopi. One Srimati Radhika she did man. Then Srimati Radhika she left to Krishna and she is standing other side of Radha Kunda. Just she is standing other side of Radha Kunda. Or Krishna another side of Radha Kunda. Srimati Radhika, she is very angry. Krishna can't go in front of Srimati Radhika. This. But sweet fragrance coming from the body of Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna is taking this sweet smell. Then Krishna is completely intoxicated. So saying, Jasya kadapi vasanancan khelanatta dhannati dhanna pavanana kitartima jagindra durgam gati madhusudanopi Tasa Vishwabhanu Bhuvo Disopi. Prabhupada, I pay my obeisances. That direction where Srimati Radhika, she is standing. Why? Because when Srimati Radhika, she did man, anger, then Krishna came to go to meet with Srimati Radhika. Just the sweet fragrance blowing with the air and coming to Krishna. Then Krishna, I think my life is successful. Not only this, Krishna is saying, Pavanena Kitarthamani. Hey wind, Vayu, wind, understand? Oh, your life is successful. Because you are playing with the cloth of Srimati Radhika. When you are blowing, then Srimati Radhika cloth also up and down this. Understand? And that the sweet fragrance coming towards Krishna. Then Krishna saying, oh, Pavandev. Pavandev, understand? Pavandev means, oh, wind, Vayu, Devata. Your life is successful because you are playing with the cloth of Srimati Radhika. So saying, Jassa Gadapi Vasanancham Kalanatta Dhannati Dhanna Pavanana Kitarthamani Jagindra Durgam Gate Madhusudanopi Tassastu Namo Vishwabhanu Bhuvo Disopi. Jo Brahma Sukha Narada Bhisma Lakchai Ralakito no Sasa Purusha Satassa Saddho Vishnu Churna Ananta Saktim Tang Radhika Charna Renu Anusmarami. And Prabhupada Saraswati Pad. So many slokas glorified about Srimati Radhika. So now coming in this Krishna in Golok Vrindavan, transcendental Aprakat Golok Vrindavan. And Krishna is thinking, what kinds of divine love in the heart of Srimati Radhika towards me. Always Srimati Radhika, she is hankering for me. She is always crying for me. I am not crying for Srimati Radhika. But Krishna, Srimati Radhika, she is crying. Just Brahmar Gita also explained this way. Madhu Gita Bhavandhu Maap Kisrangi. Yesterday I told these things. Not only this also, once Radha and Krishna, they are meeting together in Prem Sarovar. Krishna, Srimati Radhika, she is sitting on the lap of Krishna. And Krishna also pacifies to Srimati Radhika with very nice, beautiful, sweet words. And both are sitting, both are looking to each other's face. In the meantime, one black bee, understand? Black bee, and came and tried to sit on the lotus face of Srimati Radhika. Because black bee is thinking, oh, maybe Srimati Radhika's face is as like blossom lotus. So, right. So Srimati Radhika just she took the cloth and doing this way. And when saw this thing, Krishna told to Madhumangal, hey Madhumangal, and what is it called? You? Chest.
Shoe it off.
Chest way. Okay. Then Madhumangal, he took one stick and also tried to chase the black bee. Then black bee and flew away. And Madhumangal also chasing behind him, running behind him. Understand? Madhumangal was chasing behind the black bee. Then after a couple of seconds, Madhumangal he returned back, and Madhumangal told, thus this word, that Madhusudan has gone and never come back. Here the meaning of Madhusudan means Krishna, or Madhusudan means bumblebee also, black bee. Look at this. But Srimati Radhika, she is thinking Madhusudan means Krishna. Oh, Krishna has gone and never come back. Still Srimati Radhika, she is sitting on the lap of Krishna. Look this. And Srimati Radhika, she also fainted. Ha Madhusudan, ha Krishna, ha Krishna. These types of prem. This is called prema vaichitta. Prem Sarovar Katha. When we used to go Brajmandala Parika and the place, prema vaichitta. So what kinds of prem? So just this thing, Krishna now is thinking in Golok Vrindavan. What kinds of prem in the heart of Srimati Radhika. So saying, Siradhaya Pranay Mahima Kidisho Baniva. And Saddot Madhurima Kidisho Bamadiyo. And what kinds of sweetness, beauty, everything in my heart, in my body. What is my bodily complexion? The Srimati Radhika, she always relishing. What kind of it? So Sri Radhika. So Srimati Radhika, she is relishing now. And the beauty of Krishna. We cannot see our own beauty. And we cannot see our own face. You can see our whole body, but you cannot see your back. You can see your back or not? No. You cannot see your own face. How is your face? Do you know? Monkey face. You know this story. Narada asked to Lord Sri Krishna, Vaikuntha, oh Lord, you give me very nice, beautiful, your Harimukha. Understand? What is saying? Harimukha. Hari means Krishna. Mukha means face. The face of Sri Hari. Your face is very nice. Another meaning, Hari means monkey. Krishna told, okay, I am giving Harimukh to you. Narada is thinking, Harimukh means the face of Krishna. Very nice. Because you cannot see direct your own face. Could you see your face or not? You see my face, I see your face, you see others' face, but you cannot see your own face. So, Harimukh means, what did he say? Two meanings. Harimukh means the face of Sri Hari, Krishna. Or Harimukh means the face of monkey. So for this regard I will say, you cannot directly see your own face. Monkey face or beautiful blossom lotus face. Okay, now coming in this. So now coming in the. So I am saying, Krishna is thinking, what is my sweet beauty? Yes, Srimati Radhika, she is always relishing. So saying, Sri Radhaya Pranay Mahima Kidisho Baniva. Saddot Jano Madhurima. What is my sweetness, complexion and beauty? Yes, Srimati Radhika, she is always relishing. Just I told. If some similarity of Krishna's blackness, then Srimati Radhika, she completely what? What is it called? Bewildered. Understand? You see the tamal tree, then Srimati Radhika, see this is Krishna embracing. Krishna is thinking, I am not doing this way. If I see any golden complexion, I can't to embrace this thing. Oh, this is Srimati Radhika. I am not doing this way. But Srimati Radhika, if she looks any blackish, they can, this is Krishna. So that means Krishna is thinking, what kinds of the sweet my complexion. Madhuri. And Srimati Radhika, she is always looking. Because Krishna thinks, I cannot realize my own complexion. Understand? So saying this way, Radha pranamima kidiso vaniva saddojano madhurima kidiso madhya. So kancha mad anubhuta kidiso veti lobha. When Srimati Radhika, she realized my beauty, complexion, everything, what kinds of realization coming in his heart? Understand? Atma anubhuti. If you eat something, then you realize or not, oh, this is very sweet taste. So in the same way Krishna is thinking these three things. Then Krishna's greed has come. Lobhat, so saying, Siradaya pranoi mahima kidiso baniva. Saddojina madhurima kidiso vamadiyo. Sukhancha madhunuta kidusveti lobhat. Tadbhava samajana sachigarva sindhu harindu. For these main three reasons, Krishna appeared in the form of Sachinandana Gaurhari, and he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. Understand? Why Krishna has come in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandana Gaurhari? These three reasons very important. This is called the Mukha Karan. Mukha Karan, understand? Mukha means principal reason. You learn these words. And also another reason, that is called the calling of Advaita Acharya. When Advaita Acharya, he came in Navadvip Dham, Mayapur Navadvip Dham, he saw no one can chanting holy names, no one following the Kali Yuga's dharma. Kali Yuga dharma is what? Nam Sankirtan. No one chanting holy names. Even the Brahmanas not following the Brahmanical activities. Understand? They are not performing fire sacrifice. They are not reading Ved, Puran, Upanishad. They not worship Thakurji. What they are doing, Brahmanas? Understand? Brahmanas, their business, Suj business. Suj business, understand? What is that? What is Suj? You don't know? Shoes maker, cobbler. Making shoes.
Oh.
Shoe maker. What do you call? Cobbler.
Brahmins making shoes.
Cobbler. Look this. And Chatterjee shoe house. And Goswami's shoe house. What is it called? Shoe. Shoe shop, shoe house. Understand? Actually, who is doing this job? That is called Sudra. So Brahman now doing Sudra's business. Do you understand? If you say, they are there. Chatterjee shoes house, Banerjee shoes house. They are Brahmana. But they are what is it called? Making shoes. And selling shoes. So Advaita Acharya become very angry. Understand? And Brahmanas, they have no also sacred thread. Understand? They are so-called Brahmana. But sometimes they are putting sacred thread, then throw. They are not chanting, Brahma Gayatri, Gayatri mantra. And Brahma Sutrena Garbhita, Brahma Tattang na janati. They just be proud about their sacred thread. Not chanting Brahma Gayatri, not chanting do anything. And they also drinking alcohol. Understand? And rich people, they wasted their money. Just the many kinds of entertainment. Whole night they also doing worship Devi Kali Durga and sacrifice the goat. Goat, understand? Bang, bang. Understand? They sacrifice the goat, Chagboli, in front of Devi Kali, and drinking and blood. They are doing these things. When Advaita Acharya study, then Advaita Acharya become very angry. Then Advaita Acharya thinking, I am the combined form of Sadasiv and Mahavishnu. I am the destroyer, I am the creator. Understand? Mahavishnu duty creation, or Sadasiv duties destruction. So it's Advaita Acharya is become very angry. Because in this Kali Yuga people are not chanting holy names, they are not following the rules. So Advaita Acharya become very angry. Then in the meantime one aerial sound came. And then the sound came. Then told, hey Advaita Acharya, keep patient. Understand? Keep patient. Soon your master Brajanandana Samsundar, soon he will appear in Mayapur in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. That means Krishna. He will appear in Mayapur in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. And he will reestablish Varnashram Dharma and who preach Nam Prem Dharma. This. Then Advaita Acharya's mind little bit cool, coming down. But Advaita Acharya is thinking, soon means when? Uncertain. You are saying, okay, you come, but coming, soon, come, soon. Soon means that no specific particular time. You understand? Soon will be boarding. When you are airport, they announce boarding soon. Soon means no. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes saying, oh, flight delay, some technical defect, this. Saying or not? So soon. So in the same way, Advaita Acharya, when he heard the real sound coming, hey Advaita Acharya, keep patient, soon your master, Krishna, Varinandana Samsundar, he will appear in Mayapur. And in Sachinandana Gauri. Then Advaita Acharya, his anger little bit cooling down. But still he thinks soon means who knows. So for the Advaita Acharya, he took Tulasi leaves and Ganga Jal. And he took his hand and offered to Krishna. Because Shastra is saying, when a pure devotee offered to Krishna two things. For two things. Tulasi or Ganga Jal. Understand? You have Ganga Jal or not? Always you have to. Mantra. No. Origin Tulasi or Ganga Jal have to keep. Understand? This is very important. And you can keep a small bottle, plastic bottle and keep and put. Then Arati, hey, what is called? Tilak, I am doing also this. And when I go to a devotee's house, okay, we have Ganga Jal, okay, then put my, then every day putting Tilak. Ganga Jal Tilak is very important. With Ganga Jal, put Tilak.
Add 1 drop to water and then call it.
Oh God. You are my jar. Okay, no problem. Okay, if the origin 1 drop of Ganga Jal mixed, lot of water, that is also Ganga Jal, no problem. So how is it? Because Shastra saying, Tulasi dala mate no jalasa chuluke no va vikrinito bhaktava atma bhakta vatsala. If anybody just offer 1 drop of Ganga Jal and Tulasi, Lord is saying, I completely sold out myself. So for this every day we are giving water Tulasi Jal. Ganga Jal is very important also. Tulasi and Ganga Jal. So Tulasi dala matre no jalasa chuluke no va vikrinitam atmana atma bhakta vatsala. Lord is saying, Krishna is saying, if anybody just offer Tulasi leaves and drop of Ganga Jal, I completely sold out. So Advaita Acharya when offered this, then in transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, and Krishna start to say. Once Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Advaita Acharya, or you are Neda. Neda means who makes me sick. And Sutiya Chinu Ami Khir Samudri Ture Mor Nidra Bhangilo Neda Rohunkari. So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he called to Advaita Acharya Neda. Neda means one who makes me to sick. You are sleeping. So how to what is it called? Wake up. Yeah. To also push. Hey. Sometimes baby can't to wake up early in the morning. Then mother she also saying, hey, put up. Understand? Wake up. Sometimes baby are they very clever. They don't want to go to school. Yes. Hey mom, hey, what? Time is over. Go to the bathroom, take bath, prepare for go to school. Your school bus is waiting for you. Sometimes baby are they very clever. They are making the excuse. Oh, mom, I am tired. I don't want to go. Sometimes babies, naughty babies are doing this. So in the same way, Krishna says in this verse also saying, Sutiya Chilum Ami Khir Sagare Tere Mor Nidra Bhangilo Nedaro Hunkare. I was sleeping. That means Yoga Nidra. Lord sleeps means is what? This is his Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra, understand? Or when Advaita Acharya offered the Tulasi leaves and Ganga Jal. Then Krishna, I will not wait anymore. Then Krishna soon means at that moment, Krishna appeared in Mayapur in the womb of Mother Sachi Devi. There is Sachinandana Gaur Hari. So for this regard, our Acharya is saying this, the Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of from the form of Gaur Sundar, because the calling of Advaita Acharya. You understand? Remember this. The calling of Advaita Acharya, because Advaita is a great devotee. When the great devotee calls out to him, then he cannot stay. Huh? Understand? And this is very important also. All we are calling to Krishna, Krishna is not coming. But if Srimati Radhika, she calls out to Krishna, then Krishna must be appear. Because Srimati Radhika is the best devotee of Krishna. Huh? Is that? You understand or not? Huh? So in the same way, here also explained this way, Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari, or this is also one reason. What reason? The calling of Advaita Acharya. Understand? Or another two, also secondary reason. So first, primary reason, two. Or now primary reason, 3 and 1, 4. And our secondary reason, how many? 2 also. Anarpita charing chirat korana avatirna kalo samarpayato unnato ujjala bhakti sram harihi pura sundara sandirpada sada hidaya kandares puratubha Sachinandan. In this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I have distributed the highest praying to everybody. Or another, Juga Dharma Sthapan, to establish Varnashram Dharma. That is this is called the internal reason. Prem Ras Nirjas Karite Asadan Ragmarge Bhakti Lok Karite Pracharan Rasik Shekhar Krishna Parama Karun. Establish Juga Dharma. What is called Nam Sankirtan Pravarta. Though this is not the duty of Varnandan Samsundar. Whose duty to distribute the prem and establish the Varnashram Dharma? This is the duty of his incarnation. Understand? Varnandan Samsundar, his not duty to reestablish Varnashram Dharma. This is duty is yours. Whose duty? His incarnation. Juga avatar. Different Jugas. But when Krishna, Varnandan Samsundar, he comes, then all his incarnation inside. You understand? Vishnu Dari Kare Asura Sanghar. Krishna, he killed the demons. Actual Varnandan Samsundar, he did not kill any demons. Who kills? His incarnation inside him. That is called Vishnu. So saying Vishnu Dare Kare Asura Sanghar, to killing the demon. This is the duty. Whose duty? His incarnation. Understand? Re-establish Varnashram Dharma. Even to distribute the prem. This is duty of Juga Avatar. This is not the duty of Varnandan Samsundar. Varnandan Samsundar, what is his duty? Or he is playing with Srimati Radhika and Gopis. Because he is called Juvaraj. He is the son of Nanda Maharaj. Namami Nanda Nandanam, Namami Nanda Nandanam, Namami Nanda Nandanam, Namami Nanda Nandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Sucharu Vakra Mandalam, Sucharnaratna Kundalam, Sucharchitanga Chandanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Karena Venu Ranjitam, Gati Karindra Gunjitam, Dukulapita Sobhanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Namami Nandanandan Krishna. Nandanandan Krishna, his duty, or he is playing flutes and releasing all kinds of melodies from the heart of the Braj Gopis. His main, his lila is what? Rasa lila. And everybody had different duties. Understand? Right? He destroyed the universe, everything with his incarnation. And Sadasiv duty this. And creation, what is called? Mahavishnu. Jagat Srishti Karta Mahavishnu. This is his duty. Everybody's duty is different. Understand? They can do everything, but main duty is there. And we are staying in our house. Mother's duty, father's duty, children's duties, everybody's duty is different or not same, all. They can do everything. Father can cook also. Mother can cook also. Do you understand what I am saying? But different duties also. Father can cook or not? Can cook also. If you need, father can cook. Sometimes cooking or not? Sometimes cooking. This is true or wrong? So in the same way, in transcendental world. Krishna's duties, what is your Brajnandan Samsundar? His duty is what? Playing Ras dance with the gopis. He is called, what is called? And Dhir Lalit Nayak. What is called? Dhir Lalit Nayak. And this is it. Also saying Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Sucharu Vakra Mandalam, Sucharchitanga Chandanam. You forget. Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Sucharu Vakra Mandalam, Sucharchitanga Chandanam, Sucharchitanga Nandanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Sudirga netra pankajam, Sikhi Sikhanda murdajam, Ananga koti mohanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Sunasikagra muktikam, Sachanda danta paktikam, Navambudanga chikanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Karena Venu Ranjitam, Gati Karindra Gunjitam, Dukulapita Sobhanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Shivangadeya Sundaram, Nakhadruti Sudhakaram, Amulla Radha Bhushanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Sugandha Anga Saurabham Uro Viraji Ustuvam सुरश्रीवत्सलाञ्छनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं वृन्दावन सुनागरं विलासानुगवाससं सुरेन्द्रगर्भमोचनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं भजाङ्गना सुनायकं सदा सुखप्रदायकं जगन्मनप्रलोभनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नन्दनन्द अष्टकं पठेद् श्रुत्वान्वितं हरेद्भवात् दुष्करं लभेद् नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं. This is due. He has said Vrindavanam Sunagaram Vilasanugavasasam. Then he has said Brajangana Sunayakam Sada Sukha Pradayakam Jaganamano Pralobhanam Namami Nandan. Brajangana Sunayakam, and his Nayak, origin Nayak, Brajanandana Samsundar. Nayak is a hero. Our Srimati Radhika, she is called Naika, heroine. So, origin Krishna, Brajanandana Samsundar. He is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. What do you say? Dhir Lalit Nayak. Dhir Lalit Nayak. But what is this? Who is Dhir Lalit Nayak? He has 4 qualifications. Always Prayasi Basivata, completely controlled by his consort, especially Srimati Radhika. What Srimati Radhika is saying? Brajanandana Samsundar Krishna is doing this way. Srimati Radhika is saying, hey, put tilak, hey, put alta. Alta, understand? A red leg on my feet. So Krishna is doing. Look this. Sit down. Stand up. That is called Prayasi Basibhuta. What do you say? Prayasi Bhuta. Navajauvanancha, second. Always very nice, beautiful, youthful form. Navajauvanancha. Prayasi Bhuta, Navajauvanancha. Or and he is very expectism. So speaking very nice, sweet. What is called? Laughing and joking. Parihaspadu. Or Navajauvanancha Parihaspadu. Nischintata is completely free from all kinds of anxiety and anxiousness. So this is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Understand? You have to learn this. And Nayak Tattva. Nayak means heroine Tattva. Hero and heroine. Understand? Brajanandana Samsundar. So saying this. Here in the all way. And Tribhanga Lalit. Tribhanga Deho Sundaram Nakadduti Sudhakaram Amullatna Bhusanam. Sugandha Anga Saurabham Uro Virajita Kostubham Spurat Srivatsa Lanchanam Namami Nanda Nandana Anangakoti Mohan Sudirga Netra Pankajam Sikhi Sikanda Murdhajam Anangakoti Mohanam Namami Nanda Nandanam Nandanandan Krishna. That is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she is called Sadhin Bhartika Naika. Sadhin Bhartika Naika means that heroine, she completely controlled her beloved with her divine love.
How do you say?
How
do you say it?
Sadhin Bhartika Naika. What Srimati Radhika is saying, Krishna is doing this. This. Understand? This thing. So, just I also explain this way. So, killing the demons, reestablish varnashram dharma, and srishti, sthiti, creation, nourishment, destruction. This is not duty of Brajnandan Shyamsundar. This is the duty of different incarnations. But when Krishna comes, Brajnandan Shyamsundar, all his incarnation inside him. Understand? जे काले कृष्ण विष्णु जे काले कृष्ण करे अवतार सही काले और समस्त अवतार হয় তাহাতে প্রবেশ. When Krishna comes, Brajnandan Shyamsundar, then all his incarnation inside. And Nrsimha, Kalki, Varaha, all incarnation. This is called Achinta Bhedabhed Tattva. We cannot understand with our material brain or conception. So for this gopis they glorified about Krishna. Kesavadhrita Meena Sarira Jaya Jagadhisha Hare. Kesavadhrita Kurma Sarira Jaya Jagadhisha Hare. Kesavadhrita and Varaha Rupa Jaya Jagadhisha Hare. Kesavadhrita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadhisha. And he is Kesav. Kesav means, what do you mean Kesav? Kesav Badhanati iti Kesav. Kesav Badhanati means Krishna. He also, what is it? She also decorates Srimati Radhika's braid with the flowers. For this regard, Krishna name is called Kesava. Understand? So the Kesava Dhrit. Or Kesav means Ka Isa. I mean Brahma, Shiva, all these are controlled by him. For this regard, his name is also called Kesava. But many Rasa Vichar Kesava means Krishna. He is very parihaspatu. He is very expectism. Laughing, joking, this way. If you go Vrindavan, you can go one place that is called Singarvat. What? Singarvat. Where Krishna and very nicely decorated Srimati Radhika's here for this with the flowers. For this regard, that is called Singarvat. So for his name is called Kesava also. So saying Kesava Dhrita Narahari Rupa. Who manifested Nrsimha avatar? Krishna. Kesava. Kesava Dhrita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadhisha. Krishna is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. A Tribhanga Lalit. Tribhanga means three band fold. Here we also did Tribhanga. Amulla Ratna Bhusanam Namami Nanda Nandanam. Here is three band fold. Natabra Bapu. Three band fold. What are the three band? Which place are three band? His feet, his waist, and also his neck. Doing this. Left side this. Tribhanga Lalit. And Srimati Radhika also, she is called 8 band form. How many? 8. Moravrindavan Viharila. Krishna is called Tribhanga Lalit. Or Srimati Radhika, she is called Astavakra. Astavakra. Asta means 8. Astavakri. Bakra to Bakri, feminine gender. You understand or no? Asta Bakri. Asta meaning 8. Bakri means band. When Srimati Radhika, she also band in 8. You understand? What did he say? 8 bands. But where? Maybe tomorrow we'll tell you. Okay, Vanchakruti Pa Sindhu Vacha.
Tomorrow you leave, Maharaj.
No, tomorrow will be here. Tomorrow my flight.
You cancel flight.
1:21.
Huh?
1:21 p.m.
1:20. Morning will be here also.
Maharaj will stay.
Leave here from 11 o'clock.
Very nice, beautiful katha. One Srimati Radhika, she with her laughing quarrel, told to Krishna, "Hey Krishna, you are three-band fold." Answer. Krishna told, "Okay, I am three-band fold, but you are eight-band fold, Ashtabakri." Well, where? You heard or not? Did you listen this katha? Maybe tomorrow we'll tell. Okay. Not huh? No, not now. You listen. You think?
No, we want.
Huh?
We want to know. Now.
No.
Please.
Are you little bit when you are thirsty, will you go? Eagerness, more eagerness coming.
Must be here tomorrow.
Huh?
Tonight.
Okay. You remind to me.
Can you tell tonight?
Okay.
Because so many devotees say, I'll tell tomorrow, and they never do.
Huh?
They never tell tomorrow.
It's a trick.
No one will have
Right, tricky.
Tricky.
You're keeping secrets.
Now all day will take how many days?
Okay, we will tell you. Okay, now go to Premanand. What is it?